With man, this is impossible, but with God, all things are possible.
Welcome to the future. About to blast off, yeah, you can call me super. Man, I'm an icon. He lost to the clips in the game like my middle name is Luna. Hop in the cruiser, yeah, we taking off. Now you heard the rumors. Yes, I got the sauce. A true needle mover. Never took a loss in this game. I'm the ruler. Yes, I am the boss.
Bata pa lang ako, naranasan ko na ang hirap ng buhay. Maaga na mulat sa pagtatrabaho, natutunan kong magtiyaga at magpursige para sa pamilya. Akala ko dito ko makukuha ang mga pangarap ko. Pero I realized, for 10 years of working as a kasambahay, wala pala akong naipon. I prayed to God na gusto kong magbago ang buhay ko. He sent amazing people na naging way para makita ko ang magandang opportunity. And for that moment, nagkaroon ako ng hope na one day, all my dreams will turn into reality. And this is it.
Everything's about to change. Can't stop what I've been on. Into the great beyond. Can't stop what I've become. You can't stop me now. Can't stop what I've been on. Into the great beyond. Can't stop what I've become. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me. Everything's about to change.
God is really faithful to His promise. Dating kasambahay, ngayon may sariling sasakyan na. Maraming salamat Panginoon, sa iyo lahat ang papuri. Kung nakaya ko, alam kong mas kaya mo. I am Jala Jane Mihar Samones, an agent of hope, and I am worldwide.